You see, at the AICC session, AICC plenary session held recently, Rahulji, Congress President, gave a speech. And I was inspired by that speech. So much so that I wanted to tender my resignation there and there, one can believe or not. But then, on second thought, I thought it is not proper to tender resignation there and there. But thought came to my mind. After his speech, there was a photo session for PCC President, Steering Committee members and CLP leaders. At that time, yes, in Delhi. On the same dais, I wanted to tender resignation at that time. But again I thought this is not proper. Why I was inspired? See, Rahulji appealed to the members that now a new generation has to take over. And he pointed out to the stage. Stage was empty because everybody was sitting below as a new system of AI session. Nobody was there. Only person who is supposed to speak has to go to dais and speak. And then when you are speaking, he pointed out, showed the entire empty stage. He said, this is the space for youth I have kept. So youth have to join, come forward to help party. And therefore, I was inspired on that day by his speech. Although I did not tender my resignation on that day, I came subsequently Goa and drafted my letter and sent my resignation letter to Rahulji with copy to Sonia ji. And I have also assured the Congress President, Sonia ji and Congress Party in general that my services will always be available to the party. I am happy that in similar tone I read in newspaper that Raj Babbar ji has also tendered his resignation. Raj Babbar ji, who is a UP PCC chief, and similarly Bharat Singh Solanki, who is the chief of PCC in Gujarat, they have also tendered the resignation. This is what I have. Bharat Singh Solanki, the PCC president of Gujarat. Now, in this context, if some more leaders, in response to Rahulji's appeal, give space to youth, I'll be happy. But I will not suggest who should give in, etc. But I'll be happy if more people set examples. I am not speaking of Goa, I am speaking in general. In general. I have already mentioned to you that I have given assurance to the party in my letter that my services will always be available to the party. Now, question is, who should be my successor? I cannot decide who should be my successor, but I can suggest that a person should be at least 10 years, who has given service for 10 years minimum to the party. And number two, who has got love and commitment to the Congress party. Very essential. And for other, I would say this is the most essential condition, that person should be 10 years in service to the party and commitment to the Congress, love for Congress. Now, as far as my task is concerned, you see, I took over on 7th July 2017. Immediately thereafter, organizational elections came. And the process started. It was completed in October. But after October, till the AICC session, the authenticate list of the elections that were held, namely of block presidents, district president and PCC members was not authenticated and sent to us. As a result, you cannot go out and hold meetings. If we go out in a constituency, you should go with an authenticated list of the committee. So therefore, I was at a disadvantage of not having in my hand the list authenticated by EICC. It came only 3-4 days before the EICC session. So now it is opportunity for the new PCC president to hold constituency-wise meeting of the workers, prepare a list, as I was always saying, I insist also, prepare a list booth-wise with addresses and mobile number. If you have got a proper list of this nature, nobody can defeat Congress. This is I proudly say it. If you have got authenticated, maybe number less, even it's possible that we have got a less number in the beginning to prepare a list. But if you have got a cadre, the basic cadre, booth-wise, nobody can defeat Congress. And therefore, this is a must. And another thing for next PCC president, I would say, of course, he will be himself will be knowledgeable, but study the state and central schemes. If you study the state and central schemes, you can yourself be a government. Government may be in Porvorim, but if you study the government schemes, you can render help to the needy as if the government was there. Maybe you have some form submitted, maybe get rejected. But that is the way you should proceed. And according to me, it is not difficult. It is not difficult. So, studying of the scheme in each constituency, workers should study themselves. May not be all workers possible. 3-4 people should come together, study the scheme, and now it is very easy. Download them on your mobile. They must be there handy with you at all times to serve the people. Then use of WhatsApp, email, etc. Those are things there, technology. But people should use these schemes for the benefit of the people, and that's how we can serve it. I thank all of you for the cooperation which has been extended to me from time to time. I may come before you in other capacities also, and my services will be available to party. But I am thanking you for the cooperation extended to me by electronic and print media all the time. Any questions are welcome. No, see, I sent it yesterday only. I sent it yesterday. They will accept it only time when a new appointment comes, perhaps.
You said that it was exponential in his speech.
Yes,
yes. Was he mentioned anything that old leaders should resign?
No, nobody. He has not mentioned. He has not mentioned that.
एक क्वेश्चन होता फाटल्या वेळा तुमकां चार जागे आनी मेळ्ळ्यार तुमकां मेजॉरिटी मेळपाची सामके लागीं पाविल्ले बहुमताची लागीं पाविल्ले सो ह्या फावटी तुमी बरे सामके चड ताकदीन फूल ताकदीन काम केलें आनी जे तुमचे हे आसा यंगर लिडर्स आसा तांकां जर संदी दिली आनी तांकां जर हे म्हण कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून फुडें हाडले जाल्यार तुमकां एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी मेळपाक शकता अशें तुका दिसता?
नो यंगर अशी न्ही यंगर सगळ्याची सरकार जाय ती यंग एंड ओल्ड हांव अमकेच म्हणना यंगर हाडल्या मागीर अशें
मेजॉरिटी तुमचे सगळे सिनियर लिडर्स आसा तुमकां दिसता हू ऑलवेज कॉन्टेस्ट सिन्स सो मेनी लास्ट सो मेनी इयर्स दे आर कॉन्टेस्टिंग
जे कोण यंग ओल्ड कॉन्टेस्ट करतात न्ही तांकां दिसता जर आपूण फाटीं रावतलो म्हणून ते रावतले पूण यू कॅनॉट कंपेल देम you cannot compel them. And secondly,
but Rahul Gandhi has already given a message,
so it is up to them to accept which message. Supposing if somebody feels that my tenure is over, some young generation should come, you should feel it and tell that presentation. I cannot say that X, Y, Z should do it.
तुमका पर्सनली दिसना की
Secondly, I want to
आणि अनेक क्वेश्चन तुमका पर्सनली दिसना की सदांच काँग्रेस पक्षान गोंयान यंगर जनरेशनाक किंवा युथ लिडर्सांक तिकेट न दिवन मिस्टेक केली म्हणून
ना ना अशी काही जाऊ ना ते पळय तुमगे कोण पळय कितें जालां जे कोण येतात ऑब्जर्वर बी ते पळयतात ती बिगिंग कॅपेबिलिटी युथान कितें आसता आपली कॅपेबिलिटी कशी दाखोवपाक जाय दिसता केन्ना केन्ना ते दाखोवपाक फेल जातात किंवा जे ऑब्जर्वर जातात ते समजोवपाक फेल जातात आतां म्हाका दिसना राहुल जेन्ना आसा इन्स्पायरींग फोर्स कोण फाटीं रावतलो अशें दिसना दे वील वर्क पण प्रत्येकान काम करपाक जाय
Defeat जाली
इरिस्पेक्टीव and one more thing commitment to of anybody congressman should not be too individual. Now Atif Bab is my friend, I would not like him to commit to me, no, he should commit to the party, and many times he discusses with me, he confronts me also, I like it. So it should be like that. Nobody should, there are people here only commit to their respective local leaders around, they are within the corners of those one leader.
You mean to the family Raj?
No, I am not saying that family leaders. See, now one leader they choose and they are around that person. That is not, you must, your commitment should be to the party. That party commitment in Goa must be there amongst the youth which are going to join.
2012 जेन्ना इलेक्शन जालें त्या टायमार फॅमिली राजांचे तुमचे खूप आरोप जाले खूप जर तुम्ही एकाच फॅमिली कितलेशे लोकांक तिकेट दिले त्याक लागून पक्षाक कुमार बसले
काय पळय मार पडटा असं म्हणना फॅमिली पळय एक फॅमिली होल्ड आसता दॅट पार्टी कॅनॉट होल्ड यू सपोज एक फॅमिली एक डिस्ट्रिक्टांक इज डॉमिनेटिंग फॅमिली हे तांचो होल्ड आसता म्हणून तो हळूहळू मी सरकार आमी अजून बरेच वेळा सांगला की आम्ही स्वतः जाऊन गव्हर्नमेंट पुल डाऊन करचे ना पण जर गव्हर्नमेंट स्वतः कॉलेप्स जाल जायत तर आम्ही विल नॉट शर्क फ्रॉम अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक ओवर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ माय दॅट आय हॅव मेड माय व्ह्यूज क्लियर बट स्टेरिंग कमिटी क्लोज ओवर
करंट जे इश्यू आता तेंचेर तुम्ही भुमिका पार्टी म्हणून जेन्ना भुमिका घेतात तेन्ना आनी कालचो इश्यू घे जो हे जालो लाठीचार्ज जालो आनी लोकांक त्रास केले मागीर हेल्परचे सगळे गोंयकार लोक म्हणटा पुलिसांनी बरें केलें तुमची विसंगत भुमिका कितें पुलिसांची एन्क्वायरी करतली
सी कितें आसता तांचे म्हणल्यार आमकां कोर्ट आमचे पळय जळटा आमकां करना आमी पळयता हे तुमच्या लोकांनी समजूंक जाय बरोबर खूब लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स जाले पूण ते उपाशी पडटात न्ही म्हणजे बॅलन्स करपाक न्ही ते उपाशी म्हणून ते तिकेट केले आतां थोडेशे ते दिसतात थोडी गोष्टी पळय थोडे जाता आमी हांगा जेन्ना पळय टॅक्सी आमी आयकून घ्या टॅक्सी मॅनाचो स्ट्रायक जाता तेन्ना आमी थंय गेल्ले
टॅक्सी वाले एका जाग्याचेर आशिल्ले
आमी
ग्रावंडार आशिल्ले ते लोकलांक तेंचे त्रास करना ते थंय रावू बसून तेंच्यांनी हायवे हाडले स्कुटरीच्या चावया काडून कितें चल्लां
भुरग्यांचे हाल जाले
दोन वरां दोगी बापारा उरले
फक्त ह्या दिसून पळयता
मागीर तुमी हें करता
आमी ह्या दृश्टीन पळयता की तांचेर जो सध्या अन्याय जाला ते उपाशी पडपाची शक्यता आहा
कोणी केला
कोणी केलो अन्याय
आत्महत्याय बी जावपाची शक्यता आहा
कोण म्हणटा
कोणी केली म्हणजे
2012 कितले आत्महत्या
नाही
2012 कितले आत्महत्या जाले
झाल्या जावना न्ही
कितले जाले
हांव सांगितलें कितें उतर कितें उलयलां हांव की जावं शकता म्हणून
कशें जावं शकता म्हणटा
जावं
फाटी
तुम्ही हिंट दितात कितें
तुम्ही इतले दिता
जावं शकता अशें म्हणल्यार जालें म्हणल्यार आनी ही मातशी तारीख याद दवरता 10 सप्टेंबर 2012 ही तारीख याद दवरता
तुम्ही गडकरीच्या काळात गडकरी सांगला की लाठीमार जाल्ले म्हणजे केला म्हणजे रस्ते बी हाडायला तांकां कांय तांचेर कारवाय करची न्ही हेजें तुमी समर्थन करता सांगलें तुमी गडकरीचें हेका तुमी मान्य आसा तुमकां
गडकरी म्हणणी पूण हांव
गडकरीच्या बद्दल
गडकरीची उलयता का तो गडकरीन सांगलें की तें म्हत्वाचें न्ही गडकरी नॉट पयस न्ही गडकरीन सांगलें म्हणणी पूण तांचेर कारवाय जावची न्ही तांची भावना समजून घेवच्यो अशें म्हजें मत
तेंचेर लाठी
सोशल मीडियाचेर
एक वाटेन तुमी चौकशी करपाक लागता
तुम्ही विसरला तुम्ही काय काय
हय दोन म्हणजे एक वाटेन चौकशी करा म्हणटा तुमी लाठी माराची
तर लाठी माराची चौकशी करा म्हणून
बरोबर
बरोबर
दुसरे तुमी रस्ते हाडायचे काय म्हणप ना
नाही नाही तूं म्हाका एक स्पेसिफीक प्रश्न विचारा मागीर ते स्पेसिफीक प्रश्न विचारा मागीर
तुमची
ते
विसंगत
मिसकोट
भुमिका
जावंक
दिसता.
शकता
न्ही तुमची दोन भुमिका वेगळी दिसता
ना ना म्हणजे हांव तरी वेगवेगळो उलयना
हे सांगा न्ही तुमी
हां
हे चौकशी कर म्हळ्यार तुमी
तुम्ही सांगला की गडकरीन सांगला की तांचेर केसी घालची न्ही
हय
Gadkari best उलोवना. Gadkari had a meeting with chief secretary and he
आता हांव कितें मातशें कंप्लीट करूं
आणि त्याने सांगले आपण इन्स्ट्रक्ट केला
इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला म्हणून
मागीर
हांव सांगू तुका की गडकरी इज नॉट ए पुलीस
पण त्याने इन्स्ट्रक्ट केला रे
गडकरी कॅनॉट इन्स्ट्रक्ट बट
पण त्याने openly
आय एम
सांगितलं.
ऑल्सो ऑफ द ओपिनियन की तांचेर केसी जावची न्ही गडकरी सांगता म्हणून न्ही
कित्याक कित्याक ते सांगा न्ही कित्याक जावचें
नाही तांगेर भावना तुम्ही समजून कित्याक
लोकांच्या भावना तुमी कित्याक समजून घेवना?
कित्याक लोकांनी बी तांची भावना समजून घेवची
कित्याक न्ही लोकांनी
हय.
लोकांनी त्रास
कित्याक उपासमार जंचेर येवं शकता तांची भावना
लोक ते उपाशी उरले भुरगे सांजचे चारांक पांचांक घरा
तुमकां अशें दिसना की एखादी इलिगल गजाल जाता एखादें समजा झाड कातरता ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता ते गाडयेवाल्याचे पार्टी करता तशें इलिगल जर मायनिंग जालें जाल्यार ट्रक वाले बार वाले हेंकाय पार्टी करपाक नाका
मल्टिपल क्वेश्चन
मागीर
मुखेल प्रश्न वेगळे डायवर्ट करणार